Well, hello there, I'm DTIYS. I know it's a very short video. I didn't plan on releasing a video on this drawing, but I really enjoyed making this piece of art, so I wanted to post the process on here anyway. This drawing was made recently for DTIYS, Draw This in Your Style. The challenge was from Gaston Pacheco and Xen's Labs on Instagram based on this picture. This is my entry for this event because I found it a really fun inspiration and I wanted to participate by changing almost the laws of physics for this drawing, making things change gravity, age up, grow longer in some direction or other, or evaporate in thick colorful bubbles. The bubbles are a discrete nod to the previous DTIYS I participated in, which was this cute bird. However, this time, instead of painting, I defaulted back to a thick inking with some texture to it, then simple colors, and a bunch of effect layers to make it more gritty and complete. I don't think it's fair yet to call that my style, but with all the recent art I've been making, I think I'm converging on something that could become my own style at some point. And I quite like it, even though it doesn't mean I'll ever stop exploring other styles regularly. So don't worry about that, I'll still post videos trying out crazy new styles. But let's talk about that some more at a later date. This video is already over. I'll see you soon. Bye!